Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Paige. I'm a real estate agent here in St. John's and St. Augustine, Florida. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you an inside scoop on the new and last section being built by Lennar here in the community of Shearwater. Shearwater is one of the most sought after communities in St. John's, Florida, mainly known for its amazing amenities, the water slide, the lazy river, the miles and miles of nature trails, being golf cart friendly, and of course, having great homes and builders. As you can see behind me, Lennar has just started building their very first few homes in this last section of Shearwater. They are releasing 10 floor plans, several of them which are newer, ranging from 1,943 square feet all the way up to 2,660 square feet. A combination of one-story and two-story floor plans with prices starting from the high 400s going up into the mid 600,000s. And one of the best things about this new section here in Shearwater is all of the lots are either backing up to a pond or preserve. There are no lots where your yard is backing up to someone else's yard. So no matter which lot you choose, you are sure to have a beautiful view. Now, Lennar is a little bit different of a builder, so let me explain. With Lennar, you cannot customize anything, which some of you are already probably like, never mind. And that's fine. I totally get that. But the amazing thing about Lennar is that everything is included. So the price that you see online and the price that is advertised on the MLS is the total purchase price and not just the base price, which can mislead a lot of buyers. So everything is included with Lennar, and some of those things are quartz countertops in the kitchen and all the bathrooms, wood-looking tile all throughout the main areas of the home, and carpet in the bedrooms. A pavered driveway and walkway up to the front door, a pavered patio, and a screened-in lanai. So let me take you through one of their models here in Shearwater so you can get an idea of what you can expect. Alright, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, Shearwater is known for its amazing amenities, so why don't we go take a look at them. Alrighty, that wraps it up for today's video. If you have any other questions about moving to Shearwater or moving to St. John's, Florida in general, please feel free to reach out to me. I will leave my contact information here on the screen for you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!